the author dedicates a chapter to discuss the conditions of wudhu. Let's examine some of these conditions. The first condition, as we all know, the water that we use to perform wudhu with has to be pure. So any water that's najis, any water that's impure, will not allow you to be on the state of tahara, and that wudhu is invalid. So if you know the water to be najis, and you do wudhu with it, that wudhu is invalid. So that is the first requirement. Now let's say the only water that you have is najis. You don't have another pure source of water. In that case, what do? Tayammum. You do tayammum. Even though you have water, but because it's najis, you cannot do wudhu with it. So in that case, you have to do tayammum, which is a type of ablution that you do with the dust. We'll examine that later. So that's number one, and this was very straightforward. The second requirement is for the water to be plain water. Ma' mutlaq, not mudaf, added water, as we explained before. So can you do wudhu with, for example, milk, orange juice? Any water that is not considered plain water? No, you cannot. Now the water doesn't have to be technically pure, right? Purified bottled water, no. Even seawater, it's very salty, but you can do wudhu with it. Why? Because according to common perception, it's a type of plain water. We don't consider it like a juice. It's a type of water. So that's fine. If it has a lot of minerals, if the pH is high or low, if it's very salty, that's fine. As long as it's plain water in the eyes of people, it's not like a juice, it's not like an added water, mixed water, then in that case, you can do wudhu with it. So that's the second requirement. Any questions on that?